Hey, how you guys doing? Here I am at my beautiful farm here in beautiful Boringen. And as you notice, I am not holding the camera. It's on a tripod. This is a camera that was donated to me by a wonderful person. Really good camera for vlogging. And so it begins the new age. The new age of this blog, Radically Wild blog, will take off to the stratosphere now that I have better quality, and I will bring you more videos, better videos of my adventures here in beautiful Boringen and what I am doing in my beautiful farm here as I am growing my beautiful food forest. So thank you all for subscribing and following this channel. Today we are going to finally put pipes to go into the kitchen. And today I will finally put a faucet inside the kitchen. I don't have to go clean my plates outside any longer. I could just turn on the faucet, wash my hands, and wash my plates. And yes, I found my kitchen sink and the counter in the trash, and I'm very proud of my trash collection. So I'm gonna work on this, and then I am going to show you guys the kitchen faucet. I'm making my house look fancy with trash. I am making it look fancy with trash. So yeah, I'm gonna put the PVC pipe going straight down this way like this from, oh look at this, I can move it. Can look professional. I have the water barrel there that I get rain from. But I also get it from a spring that leaks in slowly. So but I normally get more rain from that. And look at the papaya, the passion fruit here. See the passion fruit? I'm making a canopy of passion fruit. So I am going to be putting a rope around here and allow them to make a canopy to go all through here, through my over this, as you see what I'm doing here. So let me see, I can see this. Oh, I can see it now. So this is my I found this in the trash, of course. Look how beautiful that is. This is the where I clean my plates outside here. There's no lights here at all at nighttime. I'm still trying to get a solar light. I have this one, but it doesn't work too good. So I use this for like maybe 5 minutes, but it would be nice to have another one, so I could see at night. Oh, look at this. Great quality now, better quality. Look at that. Yeah, I am liking this quality more so than the camera that I just got. Yes, I bought a phone for a camera, and at the same time that I bought it, somebody presented this to me, and I said, okay, well, fine. I needed the phone anyway for the drone that was also donated to me by another great person, and I'm very thankful and grateful for all the help. Look at the farm here. But now I hope to continue to make great videos here. So I'm gonna finish this up right now. We finish this up here, and then we are going to go inside the fabulous kitchen of trash. And so I gotta remember to put maybe an arm's length, so you could see me better instead of going all like, hey guys. I noticed that from my videos, and I apologize for that. But you know, improvements. I'm making improvements in the video, just like I'm making improvements in life, and I think that's the goal here. So I'm thankful for everyone who has followed me for my journey for a while now, and it's time. Oh, here, look at another view here. That's a jacaranda tree now that you can see. I try to point that out in another video, but obviously with that camera it was bad quality. I love that tree. You can see those flowers right there. Amapola, the Amapola tree. Shaving brush tree. Boombox, whatever. So yeah, and this is the house here. You can see that. I still need a door. I still need to get a door. This was a makeshift door that I just put in there. It doesn't fit, obviously. This door size is hard to find. It's about maybe 19 inches, I believe. So I would love to have a metal door or a wooden door there, but have not been able to get that, and I would love it so that I could open the door. I can't open this door because I sealed it up with wood. Just make sure that the rats don't get in the cracks. So this is the look at the house, how it looks now. It looks pretty. I love the color. You can see the color better in high definition and great detail now. So my view, you can see it better. All right, I'm having a little too much fun with this camera now. Oh wait, back. And so I will finish this up here and we'll see how it looks. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna cut this here and then there we go. And so here we have a three-way pipe fitting that would go right here, and and now we got the glue. Stick it in there like that. Look at that. You get in there. You get in there. Here. Voila. And voila. Get that in. Good there. Get this one in. Okay. Then elbow here, and we are good to go. Okay, and we're done with that. We are done with that. Now it's time to get the pipe inside the house. And you will see how it looks inside finally. So look at this. This is my sanctuary here, huh? All right, let's go inside. All right. Right here. And here we are. Pound. Here's my kitchen. I still have not painted the walls. And here's the faucet. And here is the sink I found in the beach, and I found this in the trash as well. I plan on getting those adhesive stickers that you make it look all fancy and whatnot. But here, I look to paint this a different color. I'm thinking paint it lavender. And then the walls will be brown here, and then this is gonna stay white as I painted the tiles over with white. But yes, let's see. I have not turned on the water. Let's see if it turns on here. Oh, wait a minute. You have to open the knob. So I have a bucket here to collect the water until I get a pipe to go out there. Let me see, can you see that? Yeah. So let's see. Is this closed? This is closed right here, open. Let's see if there is water. Let's see. Water. Uh-oh, I hear something. I got water. I got water. Like this is good. This doesn't have that much power because it's coming from the top, but this is good. Oh yeah. Let me put this up. I got water. Oh, look at that. I look great. I look great with this camera versus the other camera. But, yeah. You know, everything's taking shape here. My house of trash. And this is how I cook. This is my stove right here. This is how I have been cooking. I also found this in the trash. It's old vintage table, and I just decided to use that for that. Eventually I would like to get a stove. That has been the plan, to get a stove. I've been looking for one in the trash. Have not found one yet. But this is the spot right here for the stove. And so I would like one a nice one that I could use to make bread, something that cooks really high. So I'm looking for one in the trash or a used one, but I can't find a used one for a reasonable price. My reasonable price is like 50 bucks. So yeah, this is how I get my water. I get the water from the machine, and I use technology to take it out. I found that chair, of course, in the trash. But so this is my kitchen, and I also have light, as you see here. Tiki, 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 all connected to that battery, as you saw in one of my previous videos showing you my solar panel setup. If you have not seen that video, check the link down in the description. I have to remember to look down here at the camera instead of the screen up top. But I like the camera that I can see myself though. See what I'm recording now. You see this door right here? Like I said, I had to do that on top. Not that good of a job, I would say. But can't wait to get a door so I could open it up and let the light out. I mean the light in, and have some fresh air coming inside the house. So those are things I need to get, and a refrigerator, and there you go, and a refrigerator. I have no refrigeration, as you see. I need 2 more batteries. I need 2 more batteries for a refrigerator to power on a refrigerator, which I'm thinking about getting a freezer and leave it on during the day, let it get cold, and then at nighttime just turn it off, save the power. And so that's the plan for the future. That's the plan for this house. You know, everything is taking shape slowly but surely, and you can hear my echo here in the kitchen, right? Oh, la la la, la la. But yeah, it's great to have water. You know, let's turn it on again here. Oh, what happened? Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice. And I just take out the bucket later on and empty it out to the plants and give it back to the plants here in my home and outside. And yeah, until I get a pipe, get the bucket outside and make it easier. Wow. Wow, this camera is great. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video. Please leave any comments down below on what you want to see in this channel. What I will be making more videos now for sure.